If you deal with invoices regularly, this could save you hours every month. I've tested several tools for OCR invoice scanning and OCR invoice processing, basically turning invoice PDFs into clean, usable spreadsheet data. And finally, I found one where my data doesn't need fixing afterwards. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. It reads text from scanned PDFs like invoices and turns it into data. But historically, OCR invoice processing has been messy. Numbers get misread, fields go missing, and you still end up doing manual cleanup. And if you're doing bookkeeping or accounting, that's just extra work. This is where Lido surprised me. To scan an invoice, all you need to do is head to lido.app and drag and drop your invoice into the tool. Within seconds, the OCR extracts the data and shows it neatly in a spreadsheet view. What makes this different is that Lido actually understands what kind of document you're uploading. In this case, it knows it's an invoice, so it automatically populates the columns you'd expect. Invoice number, date, line items, totals, all filled in for you. And what you see here in the tool is exactly what shows up in the spreadsheet. But of course, you're not locked into this, as if I add a column here, it instantly appears in the spreadsheet. And if I add or rename a column in the spreadsheet, it stays perfectly in sync. Most of the time, you won't need the extra instructions filled because the default extraction is already really solid. But if you want, you can guide Lido's intelligent integrated AI by using normal language. You can tell it things like where specific values are located, how you want numbers formatted, or what to ignore. It's basically like coaching a colleague. And when you're happy, exporting to Excel or a CSV file is just one click away. What I like about Lido is that it goes beyond basic OCR. It's not just about extracting text. It's been designed for real workflows such as bookkeeping, reporting, and analysis. If you'd like to try Lido out for yourself, I've put a link to a free trial within the description of this video and as a pinned comment. If you deal with invoice data regularly, Lido is absolutely worth checking out. Thanks for watching.